Bitcoin money cost especially equivalent to $283.95 a coin, which essentially is very critical. The present exchanged cost range, 278.40-289.45 in a for the most part significant manner. The earlier day close, 282.20, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. The change sort of was plus 1.75, plus 0.62%. Which in a real sense is very huge. Reverse rate, United States dollars to BCH, which especially shows that the change generally was plus 1.75, plus 0.62%. Bitcoin money value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month Bitcoin money cost expectation on Friday, July 14, cost $291, certainly greatest 311, really least 271. Truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money gauge on Monday, July 17, cost $290, kind of most extreme 310, in every way that really matters, least 270 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday, July 18, cost $300, for the most part greatest 321, exceptionally least 279, in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money conjecture on Wednesday, July 19, cost $293, truly most extreme 314, certainly least 272, which sort of is very huge. In multi-week Bitcoin money cost forecast on Thursday, July 20, cost $286, sort of greatest 306, especially least 266, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin money figure on Friday, July 21, cost $290, by and large greatest 310, for the most part least 270. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, July 24, cost $294, fundamentally greatest 315, exceptionally least 273 in a kind of significant manner. Bitcoin money estimate on Tuesday, July 25, cost $293, kind of most extreme 314, truly least 272, which certainly is very critical. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Wednesday, July 26, cost $273, essentially greatest 292, kind of least 254 in an unpretentious way. In about 14 days Bitcoin money gauge on Thursday, July 27, cost $267, really greatest 286, sort of least 248. Or so they especially thought. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Friday, July 28, cost $274, beautiful most extreme 293, by and large least 255, or so they sort of thought. Bitcoin money gauge on Monday, July 31, cost $262, genuinely greatest 280, for the most part least 244 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Tuesday, August 1, cost $304, lovely most extreme 325, sort of least 283 incredibly. Bitcoin money conjecture on Wednesday, August 2, cost $342, fundamentally greatest 366, especially least 318 in a sort of significant manner. In 3 weeks Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday, August 3, cost $335, lovely greatest 358. Essentially least 312, showing how the change sort of was plus 1.75, plus 0.62%, or so they fundamentally thought. Bitcoin money conjecture on Friday, August 4, cost $345, extremely greatest 369, lovely least 321, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, August 7, cost $396, most extreme 424. Certainly least 368 in a by and large enormous manner. Bitcoin money figure on Tuesday, August 8, cost $362 in every practical sense, most extreme 387, especially least 337 in a genuinely significant way. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Wednesday, August 9, cost $420, genuinely most extreme 449, genuinely least 391. Which essentially is very huge. In about a month Bitcoin money conjecture on Thursday, August 10, cost $487, kind of greatest 521, by and large least 453, which basically is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Friday, August 11, cost $480, truly greatest 514. Especially least 446, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money figure on Monday, August 14, cost $557, truly greatest 596, by and large least 518, or so they basically thought. United States dollars to BCH today. United States dollars to BCH conversion scale, exceptionally equivalent to 0.3522 coins per $100. Which truly is genuinely critical. Today's reach, 0.3455 0.3592, which really is genuinely critical. The past AS nearby, 0.3544, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Change for now $0.0022 to Bitcoin money conjecture on Friday, July 14, cost 0.344 coins, by and large greatest 0.369. Truly least 0.322 in a genuinely enormous way. United States dollars to BCH expectation on Monday, July 17, cost 0.345 coins, really most extreme 0.370, genuinely least 0.323 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Bitcoin money figure on Tuesday, July 18, cost 0.333 coins, truly greatest 0.358 in every practical sense. Least 0.312, extremely further appearance how Bitcoin money cost expectation on Friday, August 11, cost $480, especially most extreme 514, all things considered, least 446 in a by and large significant manner. United States dollars to BCH expectation on Wednesday, July 19, cost 0.341 coins, really greatest 0.368. Lovely least 0.318, exhibiting that Bitcoin money gauge on Wednesday, July 19, cost $293, kind of most extreme 314, least 272, which by and large is very huge. In multi-week dollar to Bitcoin money estimate on Thursday, July 20, cost 0.350 coins, truly most extreme 0.376, especially least 0.327. Sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. United States dollars to BCH forecast on Friday, July 21, cost 0.345 coins, by and large most extreme 0.370, really least 0.323 in an exceptionally huge way. Dollar to Bitcoin money figure on Monday, July 24, cost 0.340 coins, truly greatest 0.366. Truly least 0.317 in a truly significant way. United States dollars to BCH expectation on Tuesday, July 25, cost 0.341 coins, kind of most